Yeah, this rap is dedicated to my best friend Tibble.
On Tibble.
Yeah, I met Tibble not too long ago. And even though he talks like a deaf man, I still love him.
Keep going.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Finish my song?
Yeah.